Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your awning for your Winnebago travel trailer. To utilize your awning on your Winnebago travel trailer, your first step is to turn the awning power on. There's a switch labeled awning power which is located near the monitor panel. Once the red switch is lit up, you now know you have power to your awning. Now that you have power to your awning, you're ready to extend it. To extend it, simply locate the switch above the awning power and press and hold the button that says out. You'll know your awning is fully extended when you can visibly see your gray roll bar. To retract, simply press and hold the in button until the awning is all the way rolled up. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.